Very good. Use all the court. Thank you. 15. We use, okay. High level players, the coach for us always said thank you. Because the player understands the concept of the money. Sometimes we say thank you. It's $1 because it was free. She sent the ball in the middle, free. Thank you. It's a box. You know, the concept is if you send the ball free, you know you are losing the match. Don't do the things free. Okay? That's why I say many times thank you, because it's the process of how we train our coaches. Okay? If the guy, the player, is sending the ball in the middle, it's an easy shot for us. Okay? And what we say, we are waiting the fish. Thank you. You know? Come on. Again, all the court. Thank you. All the court. Thank you. What's the side? 2 thank yous, 2 strokes.